Dubai is in a state of chaos as torrential rain has left the city with massive flooding. As per the data collected by the Meteorological Department of Dubai, the city received a year and a half's worth of rain between Monday and Tuesday. Dubai received 20 millimeters of rain on Monday. It intensified to 142 millimeters of rainfall on Tuesday. Here are the major updates in the aftermath of heavy rainfall. Dubai is a major travel hub. However, operation at Dubai airport was disrupted after Tuesday's storm that has flooded the runway. The heavy downpour led to massive traffic jams even in 6-lane expressways. The stranded motorists found themselves trapped in their vehicles amid the floodwaters. Even for small commute, residents have to wait for hours in submerged roads. The situation prompted President Sheikh Mohammed bin Nayyan to intervene directly, urging swift action to access and mitigate the damage to infrastructure and ensure the safety of affected families. In the wake of the situation, authorities announced the closure of schools in Dubai until the following week to facilitate cleanup efforts. If reports are anything to go by, at least 20 people were reported to have died in the deluge in Oman, while another person was said to have died in floods in the UAE. There are reports of power outages in flooded areas of Dubai, with some residential areas submerged partially in floodwater. Authorities have sent tanker trucks to the streets to pump away water from the roads and residential areas. At most places, the rain has forced people to vacate their homes. A state-run news agency of Dubai called the incident as a historic weather event since 1949, as the UAE experienced its wettest day in 75 years on Tuesday. Climate experts have cautioned against the impact of climate change and extreme weather events associated to this never-seen-before floods.